Beginner's Guide to Performance Marketing. Everything you need to know. What is performance marketing? Performance marketing is a digital marketing strategy that's driven by results. Affiliates or publishers aren't based on the number of clicks, leads, or sales they generate. Is affiliate marketing similar to performance marketing? Affiliate marketing is a defined subset of performance marketing as it is entirely driven by metrics and goals. With affiliate marketing, affiliates earn commissions by prompting campaign online. How does performance marketing work? It involves various key players to perform their essential roles to execute the performance marketing process. Let's start. The brand, the one that seeks to promote their products or services. The publisher, the one who has the power to promote advertisers' products through various tools and techniques. Network and platforms, the third-party elements like 𝗍𝗙𝗙𝗘 that adjoin brands and publishers, manage campaigns, and track performance. What is the advantage of performance marketing? Simple to track performance, low risk, ROI focused. Tips to be successful in performance marketing. Concentrate on a good landing page and offer. A/B try out and optimize for revenue driving KPIs. Select your traffic sources. Track and monitor as extensively as you can. Get a great performance marketing solution by the best performance marketing network, 𝗍𝗙𝗙𝗘.
𝗍𝗙𝗙𝗘, the medium of modern marketing.